To create a new ticket, go to Checkout. To attach a client, search and select a name. Add items to the ticket by clicking the item, selecting the options, and clicking Add to Ticket. Also, you can use the search field to search by product name or SKU. Add specific items using the tabs such as Favorites tabs for your commonly sold goods, the Services tab to select services offered, the Products for products you sell, the Other tab for things like deposits, packages or gifts, the Miscellaneous tab for non-service and non-product items such as parking, lunch or other items, the Included Ticket tab to merge tickets together for one payment. Once you add all the items to the ticket, go to the Payment tab and select the payment method, enter the amount received. Click Apply Payment.